Hello everyone, this is Damian from Xometry Europe. Today we are in Zagreb, Croatia, where we are going to meet with one of our partners from the region, Mario Pogačić. Mario will be telling you what it's like to be Xometry partner and how it has changed his professional and personal life. Let's hear what Mario has to say.
I have started working when I was 12 years old or young. First I was seeing my father how he was working with the cylinder heads, cylinder blocks and crankshafts. After that I start to produce, to repair turbochargers and build race motors and race cars. Some of them was the fastest cars in Europe. So I decided to quit the regular job, and I have started my own machine shop and start producing parts for Xometry. My first independent part was a part for medical industry, and that part was hard to produce, but when I find a way how to produce that, I was so grateful because I know that I help people who are working with the Xometry. When I was age of 18 to 20, everything was stressful. Every job which came to my company, it was, it must be done yesterday. Surrounding was pushing me and the people and everything. But now when I buy a CNC machine and when I'm working with the Xometry, everything is easy, and I'm picking the job that I want to produce. I can pick many of them, so I get a job and I produce them in the quantity which I want and with the money that I want to earn. So everything now is perfect. When I decided to buy my first CNC machine, I have started to produce parts, and I have realized that being own boss is better than working for other companies, because I have huge plans, and one of them are I want to buy 2 new machines. I see that with Xometry I can produce more, and when I buy those 2 new machines, I will pick more jobs from Xometry. Quality manager and staff, it's perfect, because when you don't know something, they help you every single day. When you have a question about some production order, they give you an answer immediately. There was a time when I was stuck with jobs, but people from Xometry give me the best. They always give me their support, like they give to every small company like mine is. Every morning when I wake up, first what I do, I go and I open the Xometry page, and there is new jobs every single day. I'm applying for jobs 2 times per day, and in most cases I get the jobs, and I'm so happy and grateful that I can work with the Xometry. Thanks to Xometry, I finally have a balance between personal and business life.